Hello everyone out there. As always, it's good to see you. I'm back with another one. Welcome to Styling Menswear. 50 Shades of Brown. This video is going to be a precursor to my fall fashion videos. For that, we're going to one of my favorite retailers, Suit Supply. For this fall fashion season, brown or chocolate brown is going to be one of the hottest colors, especially in menswear. And Suit Supply is bringing back the chocolate brown suit for their fall winter season. So what I wanted to do was show you how to style the chocolate brown suit in various ways, from dressy to dressy casual, as well as the other casual and dressy casual pieces that are being put out in the chocolate brown colorway. Now, while I got your attention, please remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you like the content that I'm throwing up. After all, it helps my channel to grow. I would now like to thank you for staying with me up to this point in the video. It's now time to jump fashionable timelines to some extra added bonus content. You don't want to miss this. Where we come out to Brooklyn, New York, to take a look at bespoke menswear designer Terry Corbett. I stumbled onto Terry Corbett while scrolling through TikTok, where I saw his videos. And I have to say that I was so impressed with what I saw that I had to take a closer look at what he was doing. When I came upon his website, I was even more impressed than what I saw on TikTok and on IG. From the custom-made shirts, suits, pants, and blazers, not to mention the accessories. But most impressive to me was his use of color, which in my opinion brings out the best in men's suiting when putting looks together. What I'm showing you now is his spring-summer line, but the moment the fall collection hits the website, I'll show it to you. For a closer look or to shop these looks, log on to www.terrycorbett.co. But keep one thing in mind: you get what you pay for when it comes to men's clothing. I'm not telling you it's always necessary to break the bank on style, but in some cases, if you want the look, you're going to have to pay to play for a certain type of fit and quality, especially when it comes to custom or bespoke clothing, just so you'll know what to expect. This has been a look at Terry Corbett style. But we gotta move quickly, because we have one more fashionable timeline to jump, where we come out to essential publications to read to help with your style enhancement. Starting with the Esquire Handbook of Style, a man's guide to looking good. From there, we can go to the Details Men's Style Manual. I mean, there's much more essential style reading out there. I just only had time to name a few, but there's one more that I'm going to mention. Of course, my own book, the J Man Book of Styles. However, just like that, it's now time to return to our regular scheduled fashionable timeline. This has been Styling Menswear, 50 Shades of Brown, and I am J Man Styles. For the full fashionable story, please log on to jmanstyles.blog. That's it for now, so until the next time, I'm gone.